And another New Mexico treasure is showing signs of recovery. It is a beautiful nature preserve that was ravaged last summer, first by fire, then by flood. Today, scientists checked the damaged streams there, looking to see if the fish population is coming back. News 13's Amanda Goodman went along.
This is not your daddy's kind of fishing. Today, scientists at the Valles Caldera use their electroshocking device and nets to see if there are trout here in the East Fork of the Jemez River.
Last fall, we found 0. They were completely gone.
Chief Scientist Bob Parmenter says about 30,000 fish were wiped out on the preserve near Jemez Springs last summer. The obliteration came after heavy rains washed down the barren landscape left behind by the Las Conchas fire, causing massive flash flooding. To give you an idea of the difference, before the Las Conchas fire and subsequent flooding, you could usually find about 1 fish per 1 meter in this stream. Today, things got off to a bit of a slow start. Parmenter admitted he wasn't sure if they would find any fish, but a few feet in and the fish started popping up.
The results we've seen so far on the East Fork are very encouraging. Nature has a way of recovering after these sorts of disturbances.
Which is good news for anglers because the East Fork is almost back to pre-Las Conchas fire status. But things didn't look as good on the eastern Rio San Antonio. Parmenter says the brown trout count there is still way down.
We could potentially restock those as well.
That's a decision the Board of Trustees, the Forest Service, and the Department of Game and Fish will make tomorrow. The agencies are meeting to discuss the status of the fisheries and decide when to open them up for anglers. At the Valles Caldera, Amanda Goodman, KRQE News 13.
And here is another sign that things are starting to get back to normal at the preserve. Check out this massive elk herd that Amanda saw on the way to the fisheries today. Elk and many other animals that live in the preserve were forced to flee last summer's flames, but they are also obviously coming back. Good news up there.